What's going on? Oh, I see. Your moving boxes have been there far too long waiting for you. You knew today was going to come sooner or later, so you better get on with it. Long time without assembling a closet. Will you be able to do it? Take it easy. Everything will be all right. I trust you. Oops, it is late. You better carry on if you want to finish on time. Fantastic! You're on the right track. Now you only have to get changed and dress up. And the final touch. Now it's time. Enjoy the moment. Storage for everybody.